With the growing appetite for data and rising digital consumption, IP transit traffic is increasing considerably. Content and internet providers know that their competitive advantage depends on how fast they respond to connectivity needs. They need flexibility and greater control over their IP transit connectivity if they want to adapt to their ever-changing environment. Orange International Carriers is proud to introduce its new game-changing solution, bringing you a state-of-the-art digital user experience. Thanks to network automation, you can now order a new IP transit connectivity online or even upgrade an existing one. The interface is accessible from your customer portal, and you'll quickly realize just how simple and intuitive it is. For a start, simply click here to order a new IP transit connectivity. Select the point of presence you want, the capacity you need, and the available interface. You'll see everything change in real time. Then you can choose your commercial model. Oh, and let's not forget, when you order online, you benefit from an exclusive monthly billing facility with no commitment. At this stage, you can book the resources for 48 hours by saving your proposal, or follow through with your order. You'll then indicate a desired delivery date when signing your order that will then automatically be taken into account. See? Simple. You can now forget the complexity of the traditional ordering process and easily check technical feasibility studies, get online quotations, and generate a contract anywhere, anytime. Online ordering offers you autonomy and flexibility, saving time and allowing you to focus on your core business. Managing IP transit capacity has never been quicker or easier.